In the Islamic calendar, a month holds a special significance for Muslims and humanity. It's the month of Ramadan, a time of spiritual reflection and devotion. Ramadan is observed by Muslims worldwide as a month of fasting, prayer, reflection, and community. Muslims abstain from food, drink, and physical needs during daylight hours in Ramadan. Ramadan is a time of self-discipline, spiritual growth, and focus on the relationship with Allah. Unity and solidarity within the Muslim community are emphasized during Ramadan. Acts of charity, compassion, and generosity are encouraged in Ramadan towards humanity. Ramadan is a blessed month for Muslims to draw closer to Allah and seek forgiveness. Praying Taraweeh prayers in congregation is a significant practice during Ramadan.
One of the most significant aspects of Ramadan is the nightly Taraweeh prayers, allowing Muslims to recite and reflect upon the Quran. Muslims partake in Suhoor, the pre-dawn meal, providing sustenance for the day ahead and strengthening their commitment to fasting. The moon marks the beginning and end of each Ramadan, serving as a reminder of the passing of time and the opportunity for renewal. May this Ramadan be a time of spiritual rejuvenation, enlightenment, and blessings for all. Ramadan Mubarak.